crafty people, and welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to bring to you this brand new collection from Graphic 45, and they are also partnering with Spellbinders for this release. This is called the Wonder of Oz, and look at this. It is that old vintage, Wizard of Oz from the actual storybooks, artwork and all of that, and the colors and all, and it's absolutely gorgeous. So I wanted to share with you a few of the pieces that I have. I don't have the whole collection, but there is a couple of ephemera packages. There's chipboard, rub-ons, the paper. I believe there's also a solids pack. There's lots of things. So I just wanted to go through this with you a little bit. For the ephemera, these are all the pieces that you get. So there's like words and stamps, rainbow, all the characters, a lot of little sayings that I really like. And let's see. I can take it out and take a peek a little bit. Right, look at that already. Like, the colors on these are unbelievable. There's no place like home. And then look at this one. Look how cute this is. If you had a silhouette in the back, and all of the insides punch out. So, and the poppies. So this is really great. Look at. Ooh, and you can even use this and make a Wicked card. Happiness is the best thing in the world. Look at this beautiful Glinda. So lots of good stuff in there. Alright, onto the chipboard pieces, tags, and frames. This is what this looks like. Absolutely fabulous. You can do quite a nice little collage effect with this. And these are very good sturdiness since they are chipboard. A little magic. And here's a little one of the silhouettes. Got all the characters. Best day ever. And then you have these frames. So you could do a lot of different layering and collaging. It's not where you're going, it's who you'll meet along the way. And then look at these. Gorgeous. Alright. Love these hearts. Alright, get this cleaned up. Alright, and then we have the Wonder of Oz rub-ons. Look at these. These are so beautiful. And there's 2 sheets in here. Let me just pull these out. These are so beautiful. Alright, so we have the poppies. Lots of like collage-y bits. Way to go, best of friends, and the rainbow. And then this one. And here we have all the characters. And then the silhouette. And then, who are you calling wicked? Good friends are the best travel companions. So that's super cute. And for this you can use it comes with a popsicle stick. You can use a popsicle stick. You can use your bone folder. You can use like I have this Trinity Stamps ergonomic tool, and you can just use that to get those on your project. Alright, here is the papers. This is a 12 by 12 collection pack. And there's I think just a pack of the solids. There's also a pack of just the pattern paper, I believe. This has both. So there are quite a lot of pieces in here. 24. You have that great, all the traditional old colors, and then a pattern on the back. Okay, and then you get into the more patterned with the images. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I love how it's like distressed, as only Graphic 45 can do, but look at that. You could just cut this right here for a card, or put this on the side. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh, and then you have all these cut aparts. Look at that, look like postcards. There's a whole bunch of different ones. There's little ones, and there's bigger ones. I love this postcard. That's awesome. And then on the back, ooh, you have all of these kind of cut aparts that you could use right on your card front. So you could use either side on those. So here's the side. Look at this. That kind of reminds me with that 12 pattern, I think. Just the coloring on that. So good, so good. And then these, look how vibrant these are. And I love the postage stamps. Lots of banners, edging to cut out. These colors are incredible. Then you have all these, the characters and sayings and everything. That's great. I'm melting, melting. Sorry. So here we have the Yellow Brick Road pattern. And then a beautiful pattern paper on this side. Let's see, the poppies, and then the bigger poppies. That traditional gingham. Ooh, and look at these cut aparts. And the borders. Awesome. What a gorgeous pack. Alright, so there's that. And then I have a few pieces that Spellbinders sent to me to have a play. So I will link, whenever I make a card with this, I will link that over. But I have the Poppies embossing folder, and it comes with dies. So that'll be cool. I'm trying to see if I have a piece of paper. Look at that. The details on that is amazing. Let's see. Then we have two sets of BetterPress plates with dies. This one is Dorothy and the Witches. You have Dorothy and Glinda and the Wicked Witch. And then on this one we have Tin Man, Scarecrow, and Lion. So you can BetterPress them and then cut them out to add to the collection. I love the Tin Man illustration on that. Alright, so here is the new Wonder of Oz collection, and it's a collab between Graphic 45 and Spellbinders, and there are a lot of other pieces available too. I just wanted to go over with you what I had gotten, so you can just get a little bit of taste of it and see if you like it. I will list everything that I showed today in the description box, and I do have affiliate links. And if you enjoyed the video today and want to support my channel, I would love it if you could hit that like button and also consider subscribing. Thanks so much for watching today. I will put up top a I can do a unboxing playlist, and I will also do my card making playlist, so you can get some inspiration over there. Thanks so much. Until next time, like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and have an amazing day. Bye-bye.